morning, student. I am going to teach chemistry of class 9, chapter 2. The name of chapter is chemical change and reactions. Topics: first, conditions for chemical reaction. Second, types of chemical reaction. Third, energy change in chemical reaction. Now I am going to discuss first topic, conditions for chemical reaction. First, close contact. Second, heat. Third, light. Fourth, electricity. 5, catalyst. 6, promoter. 7, inhibitors. 8, concentration of reactants. First conditions of chemical reaction is close contact. A chemical reaction in which the substances are brought in close contact. For example, when sodium comes in contact with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next conditions are heat. Some reaction occurs only by heat. When iron heated with sulfur to form iron sulfide. Next, when we heat potassium chlorate to form potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Next condition, light. Some reaction occur only by light. When hydrogen reacts with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight to form hydrochloric acid. Next, when carbon dioxide reacts with water in presence of sunlight to form glucose and oxygen. This reaction is also called photosynthesis. Next condition, pressure. Some reaction take place only when the reactant subjected to high pressure. For example, formation of ammonia. When nitrogen reacts with hydrogen at 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure to form ammonia gas. Next condition, electricity. Some reaction occurs when an electric discharge is passed. This reaction is also called electrolysis. When we pass electric current through acidulated water to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Next, when we pass electric current through NaCl to form Na plus plus Cl minus. Next example, when we pass electric current through copper sulfate, it decomposes into Cu plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. Next condition, catalyst. A catalyst can increase or decrease the rate of reaction without itself undergoing in any change. For example, when we in KClO3 catalyst decompose in potassium chloride, form potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Two topics related with catalyst, promoter or inhibitor. Promoter means it is increase the efficiency of catalyst. यह कैटेलिस्ट के पावर को इंक्रीज करता है. एग्जाम्पल, मोलिब्डेनम. नेक्स्ट, इनहिबिटर. इट डिक्रीज द इफिशियंसी ऑफ कैटेलिस्ट. ये कैटेलिस्ट की इफिशियंसी को घटाता है या रेट ऑफ फास्ट रिएक्शन को स्लो करता है. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, D2O, ड्यूटोरियम ऑक्साइड, यूज्ड इन न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर टू स्लो द रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट condition, concentration of the reaction. When the concentration of reaction increase, the rate of reaction increase. जब किसी भी रिएक्शन में कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज करता है तो रिएक्शन करने की कैपेसिटी भी इंक्रीज कर जाता है, रेट इंक्रीज करता है. More is the concentration of reactant, more is the number of collision and faster is the rate of reaction. किसी भी रिएक्शन में कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा होता है तो उसका नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन भी ज्यादा होगा और रिएक्शन फास्ट होगा. Second topic of this chapter is types of chemical reaction. First, combination reaction. When two or more elements and compounds forms a new product is called combination reaction. A plus B form a product AB. A element reacts with elements to form a product, a compound, like H2 reacts with chlorine to form HCl. Mg reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Calcium reacts with oxygen to form calcium oxide. Elements reacts with compound to form product. Carbon monoxide react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide gas. Nitrogen oxide monoxide reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. Phosphorus chloride reacts with phosphorus trichloride reacts with chlorine to form phosphorus pentachloride. Here one elements and one compounds. Next, compounds react with compounds to form a product like NH3. Ammonia reacts with hydrogen chloride gas to form ammonium chloride solid. H2O reacts with CO2 to form H2OCO3 carbonic acid. Phosphorus pentaoxide reacts with water to form phosphoric acid. Next type of reaction is decomposition reaction. When one compound breaks into two or more new substance is called decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction means जब एक कंपाउंड ब्रेक टू और मोर कंपाउंड में ब्रेक्स करता है तो उसको हम डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, अल्युमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड डिकम्पोजेज टू फॉर्म अल्युमिनियम ऑक्साइड एंड वाटर. सेल्फ डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन इज रेयर, usually require agent heat, light and current. Decomposition reaction सिर्फ रेयर केस में होता है, जबकि उसके डिकम्पोजिशन के लिए एजेंट की आवश्यकता होती है. तो रिक्वायर एजेंट ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन इज हीट, लाइट, current. First, a decomposition reaction occurs through heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. When calcium carbonate heat to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Ammonium chloride heat breaks into ammonia and hydrogen chloride. Next agent for decomposition reaction. A decomposition reaction brought about by light is called photolysis. When 2HClO decomposes through sunlight to form HCl and oxygen. Next, silver bromide decomposes in sunlight to form silver and bromine. This is photographic plate. It decomposes in sunlight. यह photographic plate है, यह sunlight में ले जाने से यह decompose होता है, यह decomposes होकर यह silver और bromine में change हो जाता है. Next, agent, a decomposition reaction brought about by electric current is called electrolysis. When acidated water pass through electric current to form hydrogen and oxygen. Next, when we pass electric current through NaCl to form Na and Cl2 gas. Next type of reaction, displacement reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which most reactive element displace less reactive element from their salt. मोस्ट जो सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट है वह लेस रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट को उसके साल्ट से डिस्प्लेस कर देता है. जैसे कॉपर सल्फेट reacts with iron. Here iron is most reactive element than copper. So it displaces copper from copper sulfate to form FeSO4 plus Cu. Here FeSO4 reacts with Zn. Zn is most reactive than iron, so it displaces iron from their salt to form zinc sulfate and iron. Next, non-metal, less reactive non-metal displaces by most reactive non-metal. Most reactive non-metal displace less reactive non-metal. For example, potassium iodide reacts with chlorine. Here chlorine is most reactive than iodine, so it displaces iodine, their salt, to form potassium chloride and iodine gas release. Next reaction is double decomposition reaction or double displacement reaction. A chemical reaction in which two compounds in their aqueous solution react by exchanging their radical is called double displacement reaction. A plus B minus plus C plus D minus. Here exchange their ions. A plus and B minus form A plus D minus plus C plus B minus. Here exchange of their radicals or ions. For example, NaCl, sodium chloride, react with silver nitrate to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Barium chloride reacts with H2SO4 to form BaSO4 plus 2HCl. This example is also called example of precipitation reaction. Here precipitation formed. Next, sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and water. Magnesium hydroxide reacts with H2SO4 to form magnesium sulfate plus water. This reaction is also called neutralization reaction because acid reacts with base to form salt. Is called neutralization reaction. So this is example of neutralization reaction.